and welcome to this channel. If you are new here, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and then you hit the bell so that each video I release you will get a notification. Today's video is about a new feature in Microsoft Edge that works just like ChatGPT. I do not like the stress that I go through when I use Google to browse the web, because it gives me a lot of chunk. Then I have to look through all this to locate the particular information I want. I do not like that. That's why I love using Microsoft Edge's Discover feature. This feature helps cut off a lot of junk and gives you straightforward answers and adds links wherever necessary. And so today I wanted to introduce you to how this feature works and how you can get the best out of it. Alright, so you need to have the latest version of Microsoft Edge to access this feature. So you can, if you don't have it, you can update your Microsoft Edge software. Alright, so you open your Microsoft Edge and then you see this. Alright, you click on it. This is the Discover feature. You click on it and you see this panel here. This panel will give you the opportunity to ask questions, and then it gives you a straightforward answer, just like ChatGPT. The interesting part is that you do not need to sign in to have access. You just need to have the Microsoft Edge software, and then you can have access to the Bing the Discover feature. Alright, so we are now into the feature. So you see this more creative, more balanced, more precise. That is, you have to set the tone of your response. How do you want your response to be? I want mine to be more creative, I want it to be more balanced, and I want it to be more precise. Right, so you can chat with this Discover in that way. That is not the only thing you can do. You can also ask it to compose something for you. Compose an email, compose something about a very specific topic. You can ask it to do it for you. Like this. We have the tone also here. The tone should be professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational, and funny. And you can choose the format which you cannot find in my ChatGPT. You can tell the Discover feature to make the format a paragraph, an email, a blog post, or just an idea, and you can choose the length that you want your whatever you want it to compose for you to be. So you see, this is a very interesting feature in Microsoft Edge that I think that if you learn how to use it, it will help you increase your productivity. Now let's go back to the chat panel. Alright, and I'm going to ask it a very simple question, and then let's see what comes out. Okay, I just asked, what is wound healing? Let's see the answer it provides, and then we're going to compare it to the answer you get when you go to Google Chrome. Google Chrome will give you a lot of chaps and a lot of junk to search through, but this feature right in Microsoft Edge, like ChatGPT, will give you straightforward answers, give you in-text references. That is so wow. Give you in-text references, and then it is so cool. So this is the answer based on web search results. Wound healing is a process that is a very straightforward answer, and it has an in-text referencing. When you click on this, it will direct you to articles that you can find these definitions in. Alright, so let's go to the compose section, and then I am going to tell this feature to compose a paragraph of a 3-paragraph sentence on why artificial intelligence is important. Alright, so let's go. Compose a 3-paragraph sentence on why artificial intelligence is important to learn. And then let's choose our tone to be professional, of course, a paragraph, of course, and then let's use a medium length. Click on generate draft. Now let's wait for the magic to be done. See, it is different from chat GPT, right? It's very different from, and why I would like to use this also is that I use Microsoft Edge to open my PDF files whenever I'm doing the research, so it just gives me the flexibility to search along whilst I'm reading this. Here is a response that is generating. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, here we are. It has composed a 3-paragraph sentence on why artificial intelligence is important, and the tone is very professional. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that aims to create machines and systems that can perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. It's very excellent and very professional. I hope that this helped you. Now, if you don't have it, you can update your Microsoft Edge software to have access to this new Discover button that has been added to Microsoft Edge, and you can do a lot of stuff on it. I hope this helped you. In our next video, I will teach you, or I will tell you how you can get the most out of this feature whilst you increase your productivity. If this video helped you, I want you to hit on the like button, and then you hit on the subscribe button to get more videos like this from me. Thank you.